Tim Geiman's custodian job at Simon Kenton High School is many things. Stressful isn't one of them.
It's challenging somewhat, but there's no stress. It's really a fun job to have.
You don't have to have a whole lot of experience, and you can come here and it's a relaxed atmosphere. It's not a real high pressure position. You come in, you get instant gratification as far as in the work that you do every day. You know when you leave what you've accomplished. So it's pretty easy going.
Tim may not look the part, but he's kind of the new guy on the team. He spent 38 years dealing furniture. First as a manufacturing rep, then he started his own furniture company.
Being self-employed, I've never really worked for anyone. In my life, I work 6 days a week.
And any job perks or vacations were on Tim's dime, but not now. He was all smiles learning about work schedules and the benefits package offered to employees of the Kenton County School District.
You have a Monday through Friday shift, which is just great. You have every weekend off, you have every holiday off, and you have spring break, fall break. Where else can you get that type of work schedule? Health insurance, that she was telling me about. You have 12 days of vacation called non-contract days. You have like 12 sick days, and I go, wait a minute, time out, stop. What are you saying? She said, we're gonna pay you for this. I said, why are you paying me for this? I said, I'm not used to this. She said, you're gonna get used to it. I think you're gonna like it.
They were right. As a retiree, he enjoys getting out of the house for his peaceful and mostly quiet 3 to 11 p.m. shift.
As you saw, as I came down the hallway, here's my phone with the music that I play. And so the transition was kind of easy to me because of who I was and what my work ethic's like.
Tim's customers now, the students and teachers at Simon Kenton. They appreciate Tim's work ethic each morning when the lights come on.
Having a clean room is real important to me. And I think it would be for a teacher and also students. It just represents that classroom. If you come walking into a classroom, that has paper, soft drink bottles and things like on the floor, that's a bad presentation. The students that I think mentally, they're not going to be prepared. I think having a room that's clean, I think it's real important for the teacher and also the students.
There's a lot of self-gratifications, helping the kids out and being here for the kids and whatnot. We support a lot of their sporting events and everything like that, so there's some interface with the kids and the staff and some of the general public as well.
You don't have to have an engineering degree. 90% of your job is to get to work. Once you're there, it all falls into place.
To find your place in the Kenton County School District, visit www.kenton.kyschools.us.